Hello students, let us continue exercise 14.1 statics and probability. Question number 28. Two coins are tossed 1000 times and the outcomes are recorded as below. Number of heads, frequency. Based on this frequency information, the probability of 4 at most one head is total number of all possible outcomes equal to 1000. Total number of all possible outcomes equal to 1000. Let E be the event getting at most one head, that is getting 0 head, 1 head. And their frequency 0 and 1, their frequency 550 and 250. 550 plus 250 we get 800. So probability of an event 800 upon 1000. 20 cancel. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 4 upon 5. This is your answer. Hence option C is correct. Now question number 29. 80 bulbs are selected at random from a lot and their lifetime in hours is recorded in the form of frequency table given below. Lifetime in hours, frequency. One bulb is selected at random from the lot. The probability that its life is 1150 hours is. Find the probability that its life is 1150 hours. There is no frequency for this event. So P equal to 0 upon total. Total 80. 0 upon 80. That is 0. Hence option C is correct. Now sample question number 1. Exercise 14.2. The mean of the data is given to be 5. Based on this information, is it correct to say that mean of the data is 10? Give reason. It is correct since the second data is obtained by multiplying each observation of first data by 2. First data multiplied by 2, we obtained second data. Let's check it. 5 2 ja 10, 6 2 ja 12, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4. It is correct since the second data is obtained by multiplying each observation of first data by 2. Therefore, the mean will be 2 times the mean of the first data. Given mean of first data is 5. So, it multiplied by 2, we get 5 to the 10. 10. Hence, it is a correct statement. Now, second question. In a histogram, the areas of rectangle are proportional to their frequency. Can we say that length of the rectangle are also proportional to the frequency? No, it is not. It is true only when the class size are the same. It is true only when the class size of are the same. Now question number 3. Consider the data. Since 16 is the highest value in the observation, is it correct to say that it is mod of this data? No, given statement is false. Because 16 is not mod of this data. The mod of given data is the observation with highest frequency and not the observation with highest value. And highest frequency of 9 is 3. So 9 is the mode of this data, but not 16 is the mode of this data. Exercise 14.2. The frequency distribution marks number of students has been represented graphically as follows. No, because width of 60 to 80. 60 to 80 is given. Width of class 60 to 80 is given. Next, in a diagnostic test in a mathematics given to student, the following marks out of hundreds are recorded. Which average will be good representative of the above data and why? Median, because each value occurs once time. Now question number 3. A child says that median is 18 of this data. What does not the child understand about finding the median? Before finding the median of the data has to be arranged in ascending or descending order. A football player recorded the following number of goals in 10 matches. Since the number of 10 matches an even number, the median 5th observation plus 6th observation upon 2. Given statement is false because first we write this data in ascending or descending order. So given statement is false. So given answer is incorrect. Now 5th question. Is it correct to say that histogram, the area of each rectangle, is proportional to the class size of the corresponding class interval? If not, correct the statement. No. In a histogram, area of each rectangle is proportional to the frequency of its classes. Now 8th question. Can the experiment probability of an event is negative? If not, why? Because number of trials is always positive. So events cannot be negative. Now do exercise 14.2 in your fair notebook and do other question yourself. Thank you.